Alright, today's video is about if you have trouble with your power button and your home button, this video is for you. Alright, so see this little black thing right here? Little square looking thing? I'm going to show you how to get it. So what you do is, you go to settings, then you go to general, then you scroll up to you see assistive touch, and yours probably might be off. Yours probably look like that. All you have to do is just switch it on. Nail up here, and there you have it right there. Go to device, you can lock it. I mean, it's pretty good. Use it for volume. It's pretty cool. It's perfectly fine and everything. Perfectly fine. Screenshot. You can do a lot. You can do a lot. So yeah, that's basically it. Like, subscribe. I might come out with more videos. So yeah.